Hello everybody, I am SpiritXIV, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to be using the File Explorer for Koil, okay? So there's a couple of ways that you can get to it, however, this is just the two main ways. First way is by going to the Koil Manager menu, and then clicking on Tools, and then pressing on File Explorer, okay? In the File Explorer, you'll have your left sidebar showing all your folders and files. You can click on them, you can view everything, you can look at everything as well. You can even delete files, examine, like, your left sidebar will just show your layout, and then this main panel will show your main information about what you have selected, and then this is the content panel right here, which is technically like a part of the main panel, but it has a box you can't see, but this will show the contents of what you have selected. And this could be from JSON files to jar files to, like, you want to know what a mod has on the inside of it. You can click on it now, and not only will it show the metadata and everything, down here it'll show you the archived contents of every single thing inside of the mod, but you can't open it with your default application. However, you can't click on these to view these because it's sealed in a jar file. The File Explorer supports every known, like, common file type, and I'll prove this. I have a folder filled with random shit. Okay, this is a zip file proving it also lets you see zip files. This is a video. Yes, it takes a little bit to load, but it needs to load up the FFmpeg engine, and then you can play your videos. I don't want to play this one. We can do this one. This is probably better, but you can, like, play photos and videos. You can also look at MP3s. You can play MP3s.
You are now tuned in with Spirit, the 14th.
You can also skip to different parts of songs too, or whatever. You can pause, you can play, you can stop, you can play again, and it'll start it all over. Just like your normal stuff. These buttons up here, these four are very simple. This new one will let you create a new file, which you can literally create any new type of file. It could be a new TXT file, a new MP3 file, it could be a new type of any file. Certain files have editors too, so like if I were to create a new file like JSON or TXT or anything, any type of text file so far has its own editor. Eventually you'll be able to edit videos and audios, so by creating a new file folder here, having the ending extension be whatever you want, like if it's a media extension or a video extension or whatever, that's your new template, that's your new base. It's like that's how it's going to work. Then you have the root, which will bring you back to your instance root, and then you have reset, which just resets your content panel, like it resets everything. It's just helpful for in some cases. You can also get to the File Explorer, like when you're inside of a world, you can press F6 and then it'll open up where you last left off in your File Explorer. So I can, like, leave off inside of the Koil auth valid digits folder, press escape, press F6 again, and then boom, I'm back where I left off. File editor is also very simple. The editor is literally built like other existing editors. You can double click, you can triple click, you can drag, select, click, you can even click through lines. It has some autofill in it, like I can type false and you see, like, I can press tab and fill it all in. Koil will have quick click features where it'll be like, hey, you have an extra space here, just click it and it's fixed. These buttons do the same thing here. This is the save button. You have the open button. This will let you, like, open it in the Explorer, open the parent in the Explorer, open with your default application, open the file path, or open from your computer. That's basically it. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the File Explorer and File Editor. Thank you.